Alright, let's get started with R6. This is on your assignment sheet listed as R4/R6. So R4 we actually did already back in the very beginning of the year. It's about polynomials. It's all the factoring rules, all of the x plus 3, x minus 3 equals x squared minus 9, all of those. So if you're feeling comfortable with those, you can move on without looking at the R4. I would make sure that you can do all the cubic ones as well, the x cubed minus a cubed and the x minus a cubed formula. So those are all in R4 as well. Need to know those for this chapter. But if you're good there, we'll move forward with R6, synthetic division. Alright, so what is synthetic division? Synthetic division is a way to divide much faster than long division. Alright, so let's take a look at an example here. So this is the original old school way of doing long division of 2x squared minus plus 5x plus 15 divided by x minus 3. Alright, so if you follow through the steps, 2x cubed divided by, this is the answer, 2x cubed minus x squared. Note the placeholder for 0x plus 3. If we divide it by x minus 3, this is the answer here. 2x cubed divided by x is 2x squared. We multiply it and we subtract down. Alright, so take a look over here. We've written out the negative 6 but without the x squared. The minus 15 without the x. The negative 45, it doesn't have an x to begin with, but we're going to write that also. Alright, so we can do this. If it's just x to the first, it will work out that we can do a system called synthetic division, which is essentially doing all the long division, but in a much more streamlined way. Here's how it works. Write down all the coefficients of the original problem. This was 2x cubed, so we just don't write down a 2. Minus x squared, so we write minus 1. Make sure your placeholders are there, plus 0x plus 3. Alright? On the outside here, what we're going to do is just use the 3. We take the 2, we bring it straight down. Okay, so what we do here, 2 times 3, okay, we end up with negative 6, and we subtract straight down, we get 5. Multiply again, we get negative 15. We subtract straight down, which is the same as adding, we get 15. 15 times 3 is 45, with a negative, subtract straight down, we get 48. Exact same thing. Alright, so we can go a lot faster. And here's a couple other examples. So let me skip through that and just do it a problem all the way through. I think is the best way to do as an example. So instead of doing long division, we're going to do synthetic division to divide 2x cubed minus 3x squared plus 4 and divide it by x minus 2. Alright, here's what we do. We take just the 2. Alright, if this was x plus 3, we would use negative 3. We're using the zeros. Go down like that and give yourself an extra blank line here. We're going to use it. On the top line, all the coefficients. A 2, a negative 3. Don't forget your 0 because there's a 0x right in here. And then plus 4, so just 4. Alright, here's the steps. The 2, the first one, comes straight down. 2. Times them. 2 times 2 is 4. Now here's the difference. We're going to, since we're using the zeros and there's already a negative in there, we're not going to subtract straight down, we get to add. So in synthetic division, you add down. Negative 3 plus 4 is 1. 2 times 1 is 2. 0 plus 2 is 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 plus 4 is not 0, doesn't cancel, 8. What's our answer here? 2x, we started with cubed. We divided by x to the first, so 2x squared. Okay, from here. Plus 1x. Plus 2 plus, here's our remainder, 8 over x minus 2. Let's try one more. Okay? Use synthetic division to show that x minus 2 is a factor. That means you're going to have no remainder at all. So here we go. We're going to divide by x minus 2, so 2 goes on the outside. Put in all your coefficients. 24, negative 68, 34, 21, negative 20, positive 4. We bring the first coefficient down. 24, Multiply. 2 times 24 is 48. Add down. Negative 20. 2 times negative 20 is negative 40. Add down. 2 times negative 6 is negative 12. Add down. 2 times 9 is 18. Add down. 2 times negative 2 is negative 4. Add down. 0. There is no remainder, which means that x minus 2 is a factor. It doesn't ask you to do this, but if you wrote it out factored, you'd have x minus 2. And then 24x to the 1 less than this, so to the 4th. Minus 20x cubed, minus 6x squared, plus 9x minus 2. Since there's no remainder, it factors out nice and clean. All right, that's it for this video. It's a very short one. That's all you have to do. Try problems 7 and 17, and that's it. All right, any questions? We will go over this in class, but synthetic division is what you need to do. And take a glimpse, if you've got time, back at R4. Make sure you understand all of the factoring rules. All right, good luck.